If your DHgate account suddenly shows account restricted, it usually means their system flagged something for security reasons. It can block you from ordering, paying, or even logging in. So let's go through the steps fixing this error. DHgate restrictions usually happen because of suspicious login locations, multiple failed payment attempts, using VPNs or proxies, unverified identity, security flags, chargebacks or disputes, and too many cancelled orders. So, DHgate automatically restricts accounts if your IP looks risky. So turn off your VPN, proxy, mobile data spoofing apps, and ad blockers, and then restart the app and log in again. Also, go to account security and verification, and make sure that your email is confirmed, your phone number is verified, and there are no pending alerts in the security center. This solves most restriction cases instantly. If DHgate thinks your account looks suspicious, they may require an ID. So upload your passport or national ID, possibly a selfie as well, holding the document. Once verified, the restriction is usually removed within a few hours. If the restriction appeared after a failed payment, remove the card and re-add it. And also use Visa or MasterCard, a physical card instead of a virtual card, a billing address that matches your bank exactly. Your account unlocks after DHgate confirms the payment method is safe. If the restriction doesn't automatically lift, you can go to the message support. You go to Help Center, choose Account Issue, then Account Restricted, upload screenshots, and explain the situation clearly. Support typically responds within 24 to 48 hours. And that's how you fix the account restricted issue on DHgate and get your account back to normal. If this helped, check the next tutorial in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.